Hi everybody and welcome to Travel Adventurer. So I'm going to do an unboxing video. What is in the mystery box? It's not really a mystery. Last week, so a few days ago now, I entered a competition. And in that competition, it was to win a GoPro Hero 12 Creator Edition. So let's have a look at what we've got. I've had GoPros in the past, but they've always been slightly older models. You know, GoPro is super expensive, especially the brand new ones. This is the brand new one on the market. Okay, so we've got another box to open. You can see there is GoPro. Super expensive, but they are the best action cams on the market. I'm hoping that it's going to be absolutely phenomenal for creating content, you know, on this channel, Travel Adventurer. So here it is. Okay, this is the GoPro 12 Black, and it's the Creator Edition. So let's have a look to see what's inside it. I am pretty excited, to be honest. I've never had such a good camera. So let's have a look. Just unboxing the box. Comes in, you know, a lovely GoPro case, which is wicked. Okay, so inside the case, okay, you've obviously got all the different paperwork and stuff there, and then we get into what is in the creator pack. Let's have a look. Put the instructions in there. Okay, so we have got GoPro battery. Okay, we have got a light cluster. I don't know if you can see that there, but a GoPro light cluster. There is a start button up there. Case. This is something I've never had with the other GoPros I've had. So, you know, there is it's a bit of a mount for the GoPro, but it's also got a bit of functionality. So, I don't know if you can see here. You've got record, Bluetooth here. That's going to tell you what the battery is on this side, so what the battery's at, and then at the bottom there you can switch modes. It also comes out, okay, so you can rest that down and, you know, sort your GoPro out from there. What else is in here? Let's have a look. The GoPro itself. Okay. So the GoPro itself, just take this stuff off. Made a bit of a hash of this. Let's get to removing the sticker itself. Okay. So, yeah, the GoPro 12. You can see, I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's got this sort of dashed front, which is awesome. You know, you've got your functionality button up the top here. There's a screen on the back. I've only had the GoPro 7 in the past, so I've never had this front screen, so that'll be interesting to use. And then the rest of it really is all of your ancillary equipment. So we have got, you know, a connection for a microphone. We've got different mounts, charging cables, etc, etc. So yeah, you get quite a lot of kit and equipment in this GoPro 12 Creator Bundle. So not only do you get the camera, which I think the camera's retail for the 12 at, is it 3 or I think it's about £300 for the camera alone. But if you'd to buy the Creator bundle, that's going to set you back £599. In which you get all of the equipment which I've just shown you. I will be doing a review of the kit and equipment, and I'll do another video as well so I can show you the actual Creator Edition GoPro setup with all the ancillaries loaded onto it. So please keep an eye out for that. But like I say, I was fortunate. I won this in a competition. You know, it was effectively like a prize draw competition, and I was lucky enough to win this piece of equipment. The newest one I've had up to that point was a GoPro 7 in white, the waterproof model, which was fantastic. But I hope you've enjoyed checking out what's in this GoPro 12 Creator Edition pack. Keep an eye out for further videos. I'm going to do another video when I've got it all set up and actually setting the thing up. So it's in sort of creator mode, if you like. And I'll also do a follow-up video following on from that on, you know, a review of how it performs, how it feels, what it's like to use, you know, what types of videos you can get done with it. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well, because that's going to identify when I'm posting new videos. But yeah, please join the Travel Adventurer community, and I look forward to seeing you next time. But for now, take care. Bye.